All right, well, let's now flag off some of the individual movers and shakers today in trade. Starting off first with a banking name. HDFC Bank today is really clocking in quite a power-packed rally. Remember that we did have the update that came in from the bank for the first quarter, and it looks like there's been growth across all of the key parameters. So advances grew 21% on a year-on-year basis. Sequentially as well, advances were up 1%. Interestingly, deposits too grew. During the lockdown, one would expect there to be a bit of a drawdown in deposits, but that too grew by 25% year on year and sequentially as well 4%. So I think it seems to be pretty interesting to see this trend combine in HDFC Bank. And again, like I mentioned, the Nifty Bank is really packing in a punch today. In fact, the Nifty Bank is now at the 200 DMA, so that's interesting to note as well. That's of course about the banking stocks. I also want to flag off then a BHEL. We've been talking about this stock for the last couple of trading sessions. In fact, we had the BHEL management as well speaking exclusively to ET now on the entire Atmanirbhar Bharat mission that we've been covering extensively on the channel about the kind of potential BHEL has to sort of really make India self-reliant when it comes to the power sector, power systems. Today, there's open interest build-up of almost 12%, indicating fresh long build-up being witnessed in this counter too. ITI, it's a stock we don't talk about very often, but it delivered its fourth quarter numbers sometime last week, and since then it's been a one-way rally for ITI, a small cap name. Today it's locked in upper circuit, this after it already clocked in a close to 9% rally on Friday, and hence I thought it's worth mentioning. And then of course Edelweiss, where ET now has been on top of the big story that we broke with respect to essentially the separation of the business, the global investment advisory business, where my colleague had broken the story and it's been made official. But that's not the only reason why Edelweiss is in focus. In fact, it's today clocking in a bit of a loss because it booked a quarterly loss in terms of its financials.